My brothers and sisters in Islam, understand, when you visit Allah Azza wa Jal's house, you do not leave empty. You do not leave empty. And in this worldly life, if I was to visit someone, or someone invited you to his house, when I'm invited to someone's house, or someone's invited to someone's house, you come out full. You come out full. A person would invite you, he will feed you, right? Food, and then drinks, and then sweets, and he'll speak to you. Maybe he gifts you something, hugs you, shakes your hand, you discuss matters, you enjoy your time. After 3-4 hours, you leave his house, and you're satisfied. Alhamdulillah, it was an awesome visit. It was an awesome get-together. And then you go back home, and you're satisfied, you rest. Do you think, if you were to come to Allah's house, that you're going to leave empty-handed? And that He will not satisfy your heart and your soul with the goodness? Impossible. 100%. Every time you come to Baytullah, Allah Azza wa Jal is the most generous, more than anyone that can invite you to His house. If you understand the need for why we're supposed to come to Al-Masjid, there are grand prizes and gifts that are handed out for each person that sits in Al-Masjid, according to how much you sit, what you learn, what you do, what salat you attend, what dhikr you do, what qira'atul Quran you do, what kind of love you show for your brother. All of this while you're in the masjid. Allah Azza wa Jal is feeding your heart, feeding your soul, wal-hasanat. It's all happening. The gifts are coming. This is min al-akram, iqra wa rabbuka al-akram. Allah Azza wa Jal, the most generous. فأنت always keep this in mind. When you visit Allah's house, and He's the one who invited you, you're going to leave Al-Masjid with bags, with bags of gifts. You just can't see them. But wait, be patient. On the Day of Judgment, you'll see it all. Well, Iman would increase, well, Sakina is coming down, well, Malaika with you, well, forgiveness is there. And MashaAllah, Allah Azza wa Jal's gifts to mankind are endless. Always keep this in mind when you come to Al-Masjid.